Nature today has declined to the point where we don't have enough of it. Not enough nature to support our amazing diversity of wildlife, but also not enough nature to support the needs of people. To catch carbon from the atmosphere, to protect us from extreme weather, to inspire the human spirit and promote public health and well-being, and to clean our rivers and lakes. And that's why today we need to be embarking on a programme of nature recovery. Natural England is so excited to be launching a partnership to deliver a nature recovery network, drawing people together to work together to restore nature at scale. To bring nature back across our country, not only for its own sake, but for people's sake too.
The ambition for Purbeck is to connect all of the awesome bits of habitat that we have here.
We'll have this nature recovery network that people across the whole region can enjoy, can interact with and can thrive from. This wild, dynamic nature that has been missing for so many years.
This is a place that we can be a beacon of hope, can be a place where actually we can demonstrate what can be done for nature conservation and the value that has for people and for the economy.
Four organisations involved in managing land in this catchment came together to manage the landscape as a partnership, recognising that there are no fixed boundaries between water, forest and mountain.
People very much value, whether you live here or you visit, that sense of wildness about the place, that kind of raw quality of nature that was here before Wild Ennerdale, and we're adding value to that through our ways of working.
Come on girls, come on! Come on!
The project is 2,000 acres of ecological restoration along the Nar Valley River. We have to give a proportion of productive farmland. This is part of a balance, but you can't change land use without help.
Nature gets into small pockets where we've confined it by some of our other activities, and we need to connect those. We need to get those populations moving. We're looking at this from a landscape scale, and we're using the landscape that we've got and the existing features and opening those up.
Things like reed bed, the scrub, some of the really nice grasslands. These are sort of part of the key habitats that are developed on the post-industrial land at Wigan.
The University of Manchester is involved to bring in community engagement expertise so we can really work with the local communities to reimagine the space and think about how we could have a sustainable future in this area.
I think the big difference here is that we're working in partnership across landowner boundaries.
And we've really kind of tapped into a network of other organisations that all want the same goal, which is to enhance these open spaces.
Our health and well-being as humans is dependent on the health of natural spaces, and this is a great opportunity to improve the health of both people and nature.
And realistically, no one can deliver a holistic landscape scale piece of work on their own.
Establishing a national nature recovery network is not going to be simple, but it will be hugely valuable and vital for our collective health, wealth and security into the future. By creating more, bigger, better and crucially connected natural habitats across England, we can derive so many benefits. At Natural England, we're so looking forward to working with our many partners to turn that vision into reality.